Imagine the sound of a zipper zipping open with the force of a billion nuclear explosions. But what if I told you it's not just the sound that's incredible, but also the science behind it? Photography techniques and lighting effects can make or break a shot. But have you ever stopped to think about the zipper effect in photography? A zipper effect occurs when a light source is placed directly above or below a subject, creating an exaggerated shadow that can add drama and interest to an image. But that's not the strangest part. The zipper effect is not just limited to photography. It can also be achieved in video production using clever lighting techniques. So how does it work? Well, it's quite simple really. When a light source is placed at a 90-degree angle to the subject, it creates a long, thin shadow that can be manipulated to create the zipper effect. But wait until you hear what comes next. The zipper effect is not just limited to still images. It can also be achieved in motion graphics and animations. In fact, the zipper effect has been used in many famous films and TV shows to create dramatic and suspenseful scenes. For example, in the movie The Matrix, the zipper effect was used to create a sense of tension and unease in the scenes where the characters were navigating through the virtual world. But what if I told you that the zipper effect is not just limited to film and video production? It can also be achieved in photography using a technique called backlighting. Backlighting involves placing a light source behind the subject, which creates a long, thin shadow that can be manipulated to create the zipper effect. This technique is often used in product photography to create a sense of depth and dimensionality in the image. In fact, the zipper effect has been used in many famous product photography campaigns to create a sense of drama and interest in the product. But what if I told you that the zipper effect is not just limited to product photography? It can also be achieved in portrait photography using a technique called rim lighting. Rim lighting involves placing a light source at the edge of the subject, which creates a thin, bright line that can be manipulated to create the zipper effect. This technique is often used in portrait photography to create a sense of depth and dimensionality in the image. In fact, the zipper effect has been used in many famous portrait photography campaigns to create a sense of drama and interest in the subject. So, how can you achieve the zipper effect in your own photography and video production projects? Well, it's quite simple really. All you need is a light source, a subject, and a bit of creativity. Experiment with different lighting techniques and angles to create the zipper effect in your images and videos. And don't be afraid to try new and unusual techniques to create a unique and dramatic effect. Remember, the key to achieving the zipper effect is to experiment and have fun with different lighting techniques and angles. So, what are you waiting for? Get creative and start experimenting with the zipper effect in your photography and video production projects. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on photography and video production. And don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Want more photography and video production tips? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest tutorials and guides.